Hello my lovelies, I hope you are well. Our unit called the human body system will start with the first system called the circulatory system. Let's start with the parts of the circulatory system. The parts of the circulatory system called the heart, the blood vessels, and the blood. As we see in the picture, the heart, the capillaries, veins, and artery. The veins, artery, and capillary are from the parts of the heart, but they are blood vessels. Okay. The heart is an organ made from muscles. The heart pumps the blood through your body. The function, so the heart, the main function is to pump the blood through your body. It's very important. This process called circulation. When the heart pumps the blood through your body, called circulation. As we talk about the heart, have three parts. The artery, it is the left side of the heart, carry the oxygenated blood from the blood to the whole of the body. And the veins is the opposite, is the right side, and carries the oxygenated blood all the body parts to the heart. The capillaries do what? The capillaries carry the blood to the surface of the skin and connect between the arteries and veins. The heart is protected by the ribcage. This is called the ribcage. This is called the ribcage. It protected the heart. Let's talk on the second part, or the second and third part, the blood and the blood vessels. The blood is a red liquid that flow around the body. So the blood do what? The blood carry the food particles and oxygen to all parts of the body. It also picks up a waste product such as carbon dioxide from the body and carries. The blood carry the food and the oxygen that give us the energy and the nutrients, and it also filter when we filter the blood from the waste such as CO2 or carbon dioxide, that we get rid of it from the lungs. Okay, the blood moves through the body in the blood vessels. As we said, there are three kinds of the blood vessels: arteries, veins, and capillaries. So the heart has three parts, consists of three parts, while the blood vessels consists of the three kinds. There are different kinds of the blood vessels. Let's talk about the heartbeat. When our heart pumps the blood, it make the heart beat. So the heart, when the muscle contraction as it pumps the blood, so the heart beats. Now we all hear when we put your hands on the chest, you hear your heart beating. What is the heart beating? When your muscle contraction as it pumps the blood. Your heart beat about from 90 times a minute. When you are grown up or you are small, yeah, okay. When you are small, it will beat about 70 times a minute. Heartbeats can be felt in the parts in your wrist, as I told you in the first session when we was talking about the heart. When you put your hands in your wrist, you will feel the pulse. Now we know the function of the heart, the types of the heart, the blood vessels, the blood, and we know what is the heartbeat. So what is the pulse? When you put your hand on your wrist, so what is the pulse? You hear the pulse. The pulse is caused by the pressure of the blood. Okay, when your heart pump it to the rest of the body, there is a pressure. This pressure called the pulse. Thanks a lot. If you need anything, please tell me.